Okay, y'all. Hey, Jamie here. It's a beautiful day out today, and I thought I'd just go hiking. Y'all probably seen most of this before in other videos, but I'm just out enjoying the beautiful day. Getting some exercise. Knees feeling a lot better. Thought I'd go over to the creek, waterfall. Maybe look for some pretty rocks over there. Alright, we just entered the woods. And we'll follow the trail. My plan really is to go out to the creek and look for some pretty rocks. That's what I want to do. I might cross over on the other side, see what's on the other side too. But I am using my ortho camera today, and I do not have a tripod for it, and I'm having to hold it with my arm held up, and my arm gets tired, so I might have to shut you off for a little bit and let my arm rest when we get up here. Ouch. So nice and peaceful out. Yeah, I thought about going metal detecting, but I didn't charge my machines last night, and it would take a couple of hours to charge them today, and I just decided to go for a walk instead and look for rocks out on the creek. Alright, I'm gonna shut y'all for a minute. My arm's getting tired. This is where I usually cross over. So I'll have to put the camera away because it's slick right there and I don't want to fall. I mean, that's just the rock bottom. Some of it is sand. The sand covers the rock in there. Alright, I made it across. But yeah, that's slick. Let's see if we can find something on this side. Alright. Let's see. Best way to maneuver. Maybe we can get some nice pictures of the waterfall down here. Okay. That water's moving fast. I'm on some outcrops of rocks right here. That'd make a good picture. Alright. Alright. I'm about as down as far as I can go, so right now I don't want to trapeze over all that, so I'm just going to right here. It wasn't very far because I was standing on those rocks up there. Okay, I got a little further down right here. Beautiful. God makes beautiful things. Even though an earthquake happened here and made this, He still made it. God still made it. God's creation. Beautiful. Alright. So I'll go down this way some. Alright, y'all, this is as far as I can come on this side. We used to own that over there too. I wish we'd never sold. But we sold it to somebody else, and I can't go over there right yet. I might have to get permission if I want to walk over that way. On this side is ours. And all this side up to the fence, up that way is ours, and right here. So, I guess I'll turn around and go back. A long time ago, I don't know if I'm remembering correctly or not, but I remember when I was, I guess, I don't know, teenager maybe, we'd walk up this way. There's an old cabin of my cousin's way up there that way, and we walked there through the woods, because you can get there through the woods, and I kind of remember like holes in the ground, kind of, and seeing old dishes and stuff in there. I don't know if I'm remembering correctly or not, but that's what I remember. Now, I'm not sure, but I wasn't interested in that stuff then. So I didn't take no good notice of them or anything, just noticed they were in there. And I want to go back up there through them woods, walk up through the woods to the cabin and just see if they are, you know? Because I haven't been up there in a long, long time through the woods. And I will. Tara's got to come with me, because that part up there is known as Rattlesnake Valley up there. So it's not good to go out in a place by yourself called Rattlesnake Valley. Alright. But I'm going to head on back this way. So let me turn you off and I'll get back to you. I'm fixing to cross over to the other side now and head on out of here. So maybe I'm gonna cross over with my camera. Maybe I won't slip because this is slippery. The rocks are slippery. Okay. I made it. Alright, I'm fixing to head on out. Alright, well, that was a good nature walk. I was going to look for rocks, but I scanned the banks to see if there's any arrowheads. I didn't see none. I didn't see any good rocks I wanted. Most of them are sand rock, so. But, that place I was telling you about the rattlesnakes over that way, what's called, I said Rattlesnake Valley, it's Rattlesnake Holler. That's what it's called, Rattlesnake Holler. But I want me and Tara to go over there. I want her to go with me so that in case we do run into a rattlesnake, she can scare it away for me, because I'm a baby when it comes to rattlesnakes, or snakes of any kind for that matter. I hate them. As much as I love being in the woods, you'd think I wouldn't be scared of snakes and spiders. But those are the most things that I'm scared of, is snakes and spiders. And if I see a snake out in the woods, just one snake, then I ain't coming back for a couple of weeks until I forget about it. So, I like just listening to nature. The birds. There's a bird. I come out every morning just about, since it turned spring and kind of warm. I come outside every morning and that bird is singing, pretty, 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 calling me pretty. Sometimes I think I hear him say, liberty, liberty, liberty. And other times there's another one saying, pretty, pretty, pretty. So, birds calling me pretty. I got a hiking stick right here. It's not mine, I think it's my mom's. But we got it in the Smoky Mountains. Okay, Townsend. Smoky Mountains in Townsend. Alright, we made it out of the woods. Coming up on the bank of the pond. And I'm going to shut you off because my arm's getting tired. And hope you enjoyed this little nature walk video. Alright, see you back soon.